Hello, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. I am here today to show you this new little prescription bottle that I've come across. It's called Yoga in a Bottle, and I'll tell you why my husband and I designed this and came up with this is because I often see patients come in who have gone to see their doctor for some sort of ache or pain, headache, back pain, neck pain, etc. And what does the doctor first do is to give them a prescription, some kind of pain medication and a muscle relaxer or an anti-inflammatory, and tell them to wait for a couple weeks and see how it goes. No prescription or referral to physical therapy or any other suggestions. And so they'll come to me after a month of doing that or so, and they're not getting better. So what if they had something that they could start using right away? A little bit of movement, a little bit of breath practice, a little bit of mindfulness. And so, comes yoga in a bottle. So I think the bottle is reversed for you, so I'll go ahead and read it off. What comes in your yoga in a bottle prescription is Asana, Pranayama, and Mudra capsules. Quantity of 30 to take one daily, so a month's worth. The prescription number 108, sacred, refills eternally from your doctor, Dr. Matt Yoga, expires upon enlightenment, and if you need help, contact 800 chakras. So what comes in this is your 30 capsules or cards of descriptions, images on one side, descriptions on the other of what to do. We have mudras, so hand positions to instill mindfulness and connection with mind-body. We have breath practices and also traditional asana or postures. So there's 30 of these capsules or cards in each bottle. And that's it. Wouldn't it be so cool if your doctor, when you went in for your next aches or pains, that instead of giving you a prescription for opioids or naproxen, some anti-inflammatory or a muscle relaxer, that they handed you a bottle of yoga in a bottle? How cool would that be? And I know that's probably not going to happen, though it would be very cool. But at least if they offered you something besides medication, some movement, some mindfulness, some breath practices, just to get you started. So while this might seem like a novelty gift, and it is a gift, it's a fun gift and can be a real gift too, that's in all seriousness for the health of you and your friends and family. So check the link below to see where you can find your own bottle. All right, thanks so much. See you next time.